Mimsy, tell Mommy. Tell her.
What? What? You got a lot to say? You got a lot to say? You tell me. You tell me. You
Tell Mommy how you feel.
tell me. You tell me. Tell me. Tell me.
Tell Mommy.
Tell me. Oh yeah? Anything else?
Oh, you gonna tell Daddy too?
Tell Daddy. Tell him. Tell him. Tell him. Tell him.
You can tell us both? You can tell Amber? Go tell Amber too. Here, go tell her. Tell Amber.
Tell her.
You can tell her how you feel?
How do you feel? Tell her. You told us. Tell her. Tell her. How do you feel?
Go ahead. Give it to her.
Tell her. Really? You mad? Are you mad at Mommy? Are you mad at Daddy?
You mad at Amber too?
Do you love Mommy? Do you love Mommy? You tell him. You tell him how much you love Mommy. You tell him how much you love Mommy. Tell him how much you love me. Tell them how much you love me.
Are you done now?
Are you done? Anything else to say? She's like, I'm done.